Can see this news beautifully rendering inside my terminal. Hey guys, I'm Manu. I work as a software engineer at Dodge AI, and in my free time, I build this fun side product of mine, which is called DistroTV. The idea behind DistroTV is that I noticed a problem with me and a lot of other devs, if you're out there, will relate that most of our work with Claude Code, Codex, and half of the time when the agents are working, I am just staring at my screen, doomscrolling on LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram. And I do this personally, that I doomscroll Twitter a lot while my agents are running. And nothing that I do in this time while my agents are running is productive. So that's where the idea of Distro TV came in, that I will create a TV or a streaming broadcasting channel inside of my terminal, which will show me my relevant info while my agents are running, so that I don't have to shuffle between these apps. That's what Distro TV is. And let me give you a quick demo. This is the landing page. You can go to distrotv.xyz and hit this copy the curl command, and this is my regular workspace. And let me install this app. As soon as I hit this curl command, it will start installing. This is what the onboarding looks like. You will be asked to sign up from GitHub. I am already logged in. So right now I'm streaming two channels, which is news, my TechCrunch hacker news, who is raising how much funds, and my market data or ticker prices. I'll select a balanced streaming between the two. Once this is done, it will ask for my news topics that I want to subscribe to. After that, it should ask me for my favorite stocks or my watch list. I'll select these two. If you want any other stock outside of this, I'll enter Google, for example, the ticker for Google. And that should be it for onboarding. Let's see. My preference is saved, and I get a preview that this is a preview news that you'll see when your terminal is running. Now let's actually start a Claude session, and let me ask it to do some thinking task. Explore this repo into and think long and deep. So here you see, as soon as my Claude takes over, I have nothing to do. I can see this news beautifully rendering inside my terminal. This was sourced from Codex, also my market data. So I now see Apple daily, weekly, monthly diffs, and a simple chart. Microsoft, this is the current price, daily change, weekly change, monthly change, 52 days change. Nvidia, this is when it was sourced. So this is I find it very beautiful or magical, I'll say. I built this and I was like, damn, this is crazy. I'm praising my own stuff, but I find it really beautiful to see this market data and news inside my terminal. And if something catches my eye, then I'll go open it, adjust my positions, do something else. Same with news. If something is interesting and I am busy with my work, I'll open that, search for that news. That is the idea behind Distro TV. I'll add more streaming channels soon. Right now we have news and markets. Go to Distro TV, install this, give me your feedback. If you want new streaming channels, you'll face a plenty of bugs, I think. So keep opening them. My repo and code is open sourced, or just ping me. You will find my contact info on the website somewhere here. Yeah, ping me on Twitter, LinkedIn, anywhere that you see. So what you want to do is just copy this curl command, hit it in your terminal, and do the onboarding that I just showed you, and you should be good to go. Let me know your try this out. We also have a WhatsApp channel. I'll drop a link. It's here. Connect it, and if it's useful to you, let me know. I'll be really helpful to change this for you if you want anything else. So yeah, thank you guys. See you next time. Bye.